Hello everyone. Um, Look at this. It's very hard, isn't it? It's very hard for me to complete this not draft, or I don't know. You can tell by the way I talk because I just talk normally, but sometimes I gotta go and talk what do you call it? Oh, calculating things and stuff like that. But anyway, there's a lot of things here that is not available as yet. But if you have a look at this one, ma tu ra ti. Ma tu ra ti. Ra ti, right? Ra ti, right? Rat. T. I like T. T has another E. So T, T double E, right? Right? A ra t ra t I ra t I. How do you go like that to pronounce rate? Ra t ra t ra t rat 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 R-A-T rat R-A-T and T one E. So if there's not another E here, you can pronounce that as T. T or T. What else? Dust, dusk. Owing, ouch. 9, 189. This 9 is either a G or a P. If you reverse that to P like this is imagination. P, P. Imagination is very hard for me to conquest the illustration. This is either E, G, either 5 or S, S, I, or 1. Once again, E, G, 5 or S, S, 1, or stroke. It's just a stroke. In Illustrator, you can use stroke. So when you create the outline, you can stroke that one and design it into each different pattern in Illustrator. Because I don't use, I didn't go to school for to learn Illustrator, but I actually learned it on my own. So sometime I do Google search if I cannot find an answer, or I go around the city to do some research for resources. 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 One of my favorite old game was War of Dawn. I used to play it when I was running my business. War of Dawn was one of my favorite. Oh, Dawn of War. Sorry. It's one of my favorite games. I used to build buildings and then build army and just go and have a fight with other ones. The other game also is Homeworld, but I'm not ready to play that yet until later. So, what does decision mean? I don't know. What does decision mean? 9, 8. Could be 98. It's your decision. What is it? Number 9? Number 8? Does it look like number 98? It can be. What else? EP1, tick. Does it look like a letter C? It can be epic. It's your decision. Decision is hard for me to conquest the element of design and to predict a certain amount of production to service the fee. If the service fee has been minusing the element of nature, it can be relearning into the artifact. Because each artifact, without knowing the fundamental of life, is based upon your percentages of markup language. There you go. Markup language. Ma, tu, ra, ti. Rat. Rat. T. 8. A-T-E. Does that mean number 8 or 8? Eat? 8. I just ate. I just eat. One missing E. I just eat. Have you eaten anything? I just ate. Is that part of decision? Psych? Now you know what part of decision is, sort of, into rate, 8, rat, T. Clap your hand, everyone. That is very, very hard board. Very, very hard board for me to work it out and to share. Oh, for me to work it out. These are not available yet, the blocks. And in time, I can also conclude the manuscript to element the design and to mark up the protocol. Because each protocol, you have been deselecting a point of investment into the EMP95. The EMP95. Oh, let's have a look. EMP95. EMP95. Where is it? Oops. Where's EMP? Oh. Look at this. EMP95. Once again, EMP95 to this one, which is ra, ma, tu, ra, ti. Ra, ti. Rat, T, 8. 3 element. Sorry about my handwriting. 3 element. EMP 95. 95. Oh, that's not even ready yet. That part is ready. 95. Oh, wait a minute. 95. Ooh, 500, 500, or 54. This part is not available until I can work it out. There you go. Rate, rat, 8, T. And what else? Completion. That's been completed. EMP95. In this way, it's not part of Linga. In this way, the element of nature can be reminding itself into each telegram, because each telegram has been porting itself into each position of dictation to point into an investment and to point into the householder. The householder is not available yet, because based upon what I said, 2.5 into 2.5 magic. No, fluke. This is getting messy. 2.5 fluke. 2.11 into Wall Street, or what did I say the other day when I record this? I don't remember. 2.11 into Wall Street or 2.11 into mortgage. I see. Double. Wall Street and mortgage. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Uh, 1 plus 4 equals 5.1. But this 1 is an F. 2.55. Oh, sorry. 2. Oh, wait a minute. Ooh. Oh, my mistake. Oh no. What happened? Oh no. Oh crap. What did I just say? 2 point. I don't remember. What happened here? 2.5? Oh yeah, 2.5. Oh. Oh, this is really confusing. Oh. 2.5. Imagine. 2.5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 2.5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals 6, 7, 8 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 plus 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 9 plus 5 equals 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. Hold. This is hold. 14 is hold. This part here is getting a little bit messy for me to write, to calculate things. So 14 here is hold. So remember, 2.11 is 2.11 is Wall Street, and 2.11 is mortgage. And then later on, I will need to work this out, because imagine 2.5, 5 plus 1 equals 6, 2 plus 2 equals 4, 4, there you go, 2 plus 2 equals 4, imagine, 4 plus 2 equals 6, there you go, 6.6, there you go, Piccaccio, 6.6, 14 is on hold, please hold that one, 6.6 is correct for, it's up to you. Artifact, oh, sorry, artifacts or artifact, oh, sorry. This is gonna be really, really messy, because this is the calculation, so it's very, very, very messy. This one is rate, rat, R-A-T, 8, A-T-E, T-T-E, one missing E. Third element. The third element is by the philosophy. Philosophy? No. It's by the velocity or philosophy, Leonardo da Vinci. It's either in a transcode of the element of a tranny. I love tranny. Oh, why am I telling you guys my life? When I was in Queen Street living with my partner, my hubby, I wanted to dress up as a drag queen. Because I don't know who I am. Means, of course I'm Asian and gay, but should I become a tranny or a drag queen or whatever? I think I was 19 or 20 years old. I don't remember. Oh, sorry, I smoke a lot. Anyway, the EMP1 is really correct. The EMP1 is really, really correct. The EMP1 is so correct to rectify the nationality and to convince the old program. Old program. Interesting. Oops, sorry. Old program. That is not ready as yet. I'll leave it there. Old program. The old program also means, I'll keep this simple. The old program also means Millennium, ME. Windows, Microsoft Corporation. You come up with Millennium ME when I was running my business. So when you come up with Millennium ME and then later on you come up with Vista, and then later on you come up with Windows 7, and then Window. What's a window now that I'm using? I don't know. I don't know that one as yet. Anyway, clap your hand, everyone. I'll repeat. Well done. Rat. R-A-T. 8. 8-T-E. 8. A-T-E. T-T-E. One missing E. But remember, number 3, imagine. Number 3 is like this. And number E is like this. Or letter E is like this. If you reverse that, it's 3. Once again, 3 and E. Oh, what does that mean so far? Double-ended doodle? No. It could be number 8. Would you like me to draw that? Next time, everyone. Imagine 3 and then E. I really like that. I used to write a lot. See? E. My more? Okay. Ooh. I hope you guys enjoy this billboard, this whatever you call whiteboard or whatever. Because I'm gonna go and buy a texter. This texture is too thick, so I need to buy a thin one and write some more numbers and words. But later on, it will get so messy, and if it gets so messy, I might buy another billboard to continue with this. Then I would show you the prism. Prism? No. Prism? No. No. What am I going to say about decision? Decision. Decide. Decision. You decide. It's a decision. Oh, I don't know that one. Oh, what is a decision and decide? I don't know that one as yet. I'll quit that one for now. The histogram also means RGB. The RGB is in After Effects. So later on, I might do some animation, but I'm not very good at. I love animation. I used to design one with a butterfly, a G, and turn it into a butterfly. The rejection also means each point of investment. I need to EMD21. EMD21. EMD21 also means telegram. Because back in the old days, with Hitler or the war, you come up with those things, you go like this, and they have dots on them. I did see a documentary, and they have a machine, how they turn those dots into the alphabet. So these dots here are available. These dots here is very, very hard for me to learn and for me to give you the conclusion, because in return it also means the 2-9. Ooh, What's this? 29. 2 M 9 A. This looks like number 9. 18. But 296, this is not ready yet. Like I said, back in the histogram, what do you call those things? You know, like at war, you do those things, and then you give it to a soldier or whatever, and then they come up with alphabet, and then you have to mix the alphabet up to finish a word like this. Ra, T, rat, 8, E. Could it be a dot? Could this letter be a dot? Could the letter R be a dot? So this one, 2 M 9 A. So how does a number come up with the letter M? So how does a number come up to a letter N? Broadcom? No. Part of. Okay. Ooh. What else? Usually I don't act like that. The only reason why I act like that, like like that, means when you advertise a certain amount of service, you need to conquest the time code. When you conquest the time code, you are selecting a certain point of investment into a program. As each program, you are sharing each network. When you share each network, you are dictating a certain amount of production to service the fee. When you service the fee, it is applicable to include each telegram. As each telegram, you are exploding into the hierarchy. The hierarchy. The hierarchy. Mimo, next time. Each time you go, you are pretending. Pretending. Yes. Pretending. Not available yet. Pretending means the element of nature has been matching itself into a program, and each program you are rejecting the performance to market into Israel. Because in return, nationally, the condition of method, you are exceeding, round off. This is called a round off. Round off means each point of investment, you are including the program. And when you are including the program, you are deselecting the history and programming into the new array, which means hierarchy, from old products to new products. Each generation, dynasty. Each generation for the dynasty. Because in return, each fabric is actually changed. And when the fabric has been changed, when the fabric has been changed, you sell it from Tajay, Kmark, Big W, etc. Because this is just what do you call this? Fake fabric or cheaper fabric? Cheaper fabric. Cheaper fabric can last longer than the histogram. No, than the high or expensive fabric. I don't know what you call that as yet until I do some research for resources. 2R. 2R. Is anything around there? 2R. 2R. Hmm. 2R. Nope. 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 What does this look like? This is 9494. What does this look like? Imagine. 19 or 14? The only reason why I act like that, to help you guys to understand not the posture, but imagination. Because a lot of this is actually correct for, stock market, Wall Street, etc. My apology when I change. I'm changing because I'm telling you stories about how things work and how things doesn't work. So in time, you also need to emote the performance. Emote the performance, because each performance you are rejecting a certain amount of material to situate into a non-controller. The non-controller can also mean the IP1. IP1. Well done. The IP1. Here it is. This one is number 9. This one is the letter P. 9P. If you switch that over, is P. E, P. No, what did I just say? Oh no. IP. IP. This is PP. PP. IP. PP. Now P. P-double-E, P-double-E. IP. What does that sound like? IP, PP. 4 E's. 4 E's. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11 equals 11. This one, I. But it's, oh yeah, I. The letter I. What does that sound like? I and the letter I is 22. 11 plus 11 equals 22. 22 MSG. No, MG. This is IMG. 22 MG. 22 MG. 22 MG belongs to 185. 185 into an antenna, which means part of this. Now, where am I? 5 plus 2 equals 7. 8 plus 2 equals 8, 9, 10. 1. Huh? Ooh, where am I? 5 plus 2 equals 7. 8 plus 2, 8, 9, 10. 0, 1. Oh yeah, 1. 107. 2 plus 1 equals 3 plus 1 equals 4. Ground floor. Ground floor. Now, this one here, do you know the numbers? Sometimes you have a number like this, 10 plus 14. So that is 4. Oh, and then you have a number like that. Is that called a sin? Because scientifically, I think the sin is like that. Or somewhere, I'm not too sure. But anyway, foreground. Foreground into 4D. 4D is dusk. From where? Malaysia? Or heaven? I don't know. There you go. This also means SP. Spaghetti. SP. SP. So now you know 1P. IP. 1. I. 1. Ooh, it's a bit confusing. I1. PP. PP. Not ready yet. Confusing because scientifically I'm not very good at maths. I always have D's and F when I was at school. But I need to work out a lot of things to get resource and to research each formula. So when I research each formula, it will help you guys to stock the market as in time. As in time. As in time. As in time means the future is within us. That's what I mean. As in time, the future is within us. Physio. Physio? No. Poem. It is. As in time, the future is within us. Both of them make sense. As in time, the future is within us. As in time, the future is within us. Poem.